I've just realized it was probably 4 or 5 years since I started this Pixelhaze YouTube channel, and as I've evolved, I've jumped in and out whilst balancing it with my day job of building websites. And one thing I've realized over the last couple of months, as we've been moving more towards coaching with web design and for those looking for web design careers, there is still an opportunity to showcase some of the latest features using the website builder software that we use. From today, we're going to be bringing this type of video back. They're going to be short, snappy feature updates as and when I find new updates, either announced or not announced, on either Squarespace, Hostinger, other website builders, and similar design software. Today, we're going to start with Hostinger Website Builder, and we have an announcement bar option, which is a sticky bar, as it's called in Hostinger. Now, this feature is also available in Squarespace, and myself and my team have been using this for some time to get across key messages, whether that's contact details, whether it's a short-term announcement. Going back to COVID, we used it for COVID-related announcements for small businesses in local areas. All in all, it's a really flexible tool that sits above our masthead, where our logo sits. And the great news is that feature is now available in Hostinger. And even better news, I'll just show you quickly how to activate it and edit it. Let's go take a look. If we go in and edit a Hostinger Website Builder website, this isn't available for WordPress sites built on the Hostinger hosting platform, we should see this sticky bar option. Once we put this in place, we've got our promotional text that we can add in. We can change the color of the text by highlighting it and changing it using our pre-existing color palette that's available in our template, or by adding a custom color. So in this case, I'm going to go for a light text, just off white. We can barely see it now. And now I can also go into the edit section. We can now change the background color or indeed add an image, although I haven't tested that section. So now we've added in a color, a text color. All we need to do is enter in our custom text for that promotional bar. We also get standard customizable features like bold, italic, and indeed underline if we want to edit that text. Once I've created my promotional bar, I can save it. This is great for opening hours, seasonal announcements, bank holiday closures, or urgent updates that you need to get across on your website. Alternatively, it could be used to promote your telephone number, email address, or other contact details. There's a host of potential uses for that announcement bar. If we were to preview this, now it's in place, we can see how it looks on the website. And one more important aspect is that it appears on every page by default. I can't see an option to auto-close it. That's a feature that I've been used to in Squarespace, but for me, that's not a deal breaker. It's a small, but another incremental improvement to this impressive platform. I hope you find it useful, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.